What's the meaning of catalysis? Catalysis. Catalysis.
Catalysis. Catalysis. Catalysis is a process where a substance, called a catalyst, speeds up a chemical reaction without being consumed in the process. The catalyst lowers the activation energy required for the reaction to occur, thereby increasing the rate of reaction. This process can also alter the selectivity of a reaction, allowing specific products to be produced. Catalysts are widely used in various industrial processes such as the production of fertilizers, plastics, and pharmaceuticals. Without catalysis, many important chemical reactions would occur too slowly or not at all, making the production of certain goods impossible or uneconomical.